Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be talking about the latest Metahero updates. So just looking through their Twitter right now, it seems like they're trying to do as much marketing as possible and it is clearly working. So first of all, they're in second place on the most popular coins list according to CryptoDiffer. If you guys don't already know CryptoDiffer, it is a news site specifically for cryptocurrency where they post analysis and research on crypto. So it is a reputable website. They have around 200k followers on their Twitter, and that makes this ranking pretty credible. Now, this is important for Metahero and the coin and both the holders because they're starting to get their name out there and more people are starting to buy it. Along with this, there is a TV segment for Metahero in South Korea. So a 15-minute segment just on Metahero. Now, this is important because it'll increase the holder counts. Right? And why will it increase the holder counts? Because Metahero is going to be in South Korea and the Asian markets in general. And people in South Korea who don't know about this coin already, they're going to go and buy it. Now, how many people exactly will buy in? That's a hard number to predict. But I can say that it will increase to some extent. Now, speaking of more people buying in, Metahero posted that they reached a new checkpoint, right? So they blew past 40,000 holders. And they said that in the last 76 hours, they added almost 6,000 new holders to the movement, right? So they're saying that they're breaking their own records now. And if you guys remember, around 3 days ago, they were at 35,000, right? So they were at 35,000 holders right here. And that was on July 31st. So that was around 3 to 4 days ago. So they're growing pretty quickly and we can see that growth. Now, this increased number of holders is important because that's going to provide this coin more stability. The reason why Bitcoin and all the other major cryptocurrencies, they don't crash instantly is because their market cap is so massive. With more people buying in, the market cap is going to increase and make the coin more stable. This will keep the coin on an upward trend, and upward trends are positive, right? That allows us to stay in the green when we buy in. Now, along with this new holder count, they reached another checkpoint, right? And this checkpoint is that they've burned over 100 million hero coins. So remember that the total supply is 10 billion coins. So this is now over 1% of the total supply that's being burned. This is also a relatively new project and it is soon to be a month since it was first released. 1% burn in such a short period of time is quite impressive. And as time goes on, the burned token size is only going to get larger. Regardless of all other external factors, as long as people are buying and selling, the percentage burned is only going to get larger, making the remaining coins a lot more valuable. This deflationary policy is going to create a scarcity for this coin. And anything that is scarce, it rises in value. Now let's take a look at the price. So we can see right here that it is down in the last 24 hours. Right, we can see right here that it has been on a decreasing trend. It was at around 4 cents and currently it is a little bit over 3 cents. So, and also it shows that the coin is down 0.73%. This is not really something that's alarming because that's just the nature of the game. Losing small percentages like this isn't really that big of a deal. However, if you still have not entered, I think that the next big entry would be when it goes back up to 4 cents, right? So I think that 4 cents would be the best entry. And the current resistances that I see on this chart seem to be at 4 cents and around 3.2 cents. Right, I said 3.2 because it has been hitting that. If we go to the 1-day chart, we can see that it has been oscillating around 3.2 for a while. So once it goes past 3.2, it should continue to go even higher. And once it hits 4 cents, I think that it'll be back on track to continuing its upward trend that it was on. Right, and the reason why that I think 4 cents would be the next major break is the previous peak was a little bit over 4 cents. Right here, we can see that it was over 4 cents at one point. So if the coin retests its all-time highs and gains a new all-time high, then we can get a good entry and not go into a loss the second we enter. Now for the final piece of Metahero news today, it is that there is farming available for Metahero, right? So you can farm Hero on PancakeSwap. I'm not really too familiar with the whole farming process myself, so I'm not going to do it. But if you are interested in that and you know what you're doing, you can check out this tweet. So you can click on this link and check it out. Remember, of course, it's not a risk-free activity. There is risk involved in it, but that decision is up to you. Alright, so that's the latest Metahero news for today. If you found this video to be useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see in the next video on this channel. See you guys in the next one.